Hello everybody, welcome to Caleb's Train Vlogs, or CTV for short. Today I'm doing some train spotting for you all at Westmead. My friend Caleb's Train Vlogs. Let's go for the service. Yeah. Right, VSET passing platform number 1. Front 4 cars V24. Why is the cab door open, mate? Alright, no set plate on the rear 4 cars. We have a North Sydney service arriving on platform 1. What's the damn set? A61. Let's try to get a hold. Let's get a honk. Yeah, let's do this. Actually, might do this side. Please, man. Why did I respond to that? Alright. Oh, crap. Right. That is A61 going to North Sydney. The destos are always wrong. These signs have been through so much hell that they used to be black and they're now a green colour. Mate. Alright, we have a train on platform 1. I don't know where it's going to. It's a Waratah A set. Set number is A1, huh? Yeah. Alright, let's get a honk. A68? Yes! Shout out to that driver. Alright, we have A1 departing platform 1. Alright, there's A68 departing platform 4 for a Penrith service.
We have an empty B set?
We have an empty B set about to pass platform number.
Oh wow.
Jeez.
B11 is the set.
Yeah.
It came from Hornsby Maintenance Centre.
Alright, that is empty set, B11. Just passing platform 4. Came from Hornsby Maintenance Centre. Alright, we have Waratah arriving on platform 4. Oh, yep, it is too. A71. It's a Richmond service. Oh, what? Why is it out of focus?
Train on platform 1.
Okay.
Liverpool Road, Parramatta service, 827.
Yep. Alright, A27 for a Liverpool service.
We got the Richmond service departing.
Right, that is A71 departing platform 4 for a Richmond service. Right, that is A27 going to Liverpool. Oh my gosh, why does the camera go blurry whenever I zoom in? Right, we have a 4-car VSET about to pass platform number 1. We're going to try and get a honk.
Oh, this is previously Y3.
Oh, this was too. Previously Y3. Alright, that is V29, previously Y3. That has just passed platform number 1, going to Central. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell on, so you don't miss any future content I upload to my channel. If you have any video requests, please feel free to comment your request on any of my videos, shorts, or posts, and I will try my best to fulfill your video requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.